Here are my little Cochin babies. You can see they are definitely food motivated. Come here, Mama. Come here, Mamas. Wow, grouchy little wenches. Look at them. You can hear there's a rooster off going in the background. There we go. There's all my little babies. Hi. By the way, the girls are looking. They're turning really bright red. I'm wondering if they're not getting ready to lay. So, anyways, that's the Cochins for today. Oh, Mama, you can't get your fat butt in there, can you? Here. Here, guys. Don't fuss at me. Don't fuss at me. I'm trying to make it to where you guys can all get it. I got two of them that I don't know if they're being nice or not, but they kind of bite at me. All right, I'll let them have their goodies.